सब्सक्राइब बटन दबाओ, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करो so that you don't miss.
Here we have HP laptop with Core i7 Intel processor. So let's see what we have. On the right hand we have card reader slot, one USB 2.0 port, one optical drive and another port, and here we have LED power indicator, and on left side we have charging port, one air outlet and Ethernet port, one HDMI port, two USB 3.0 port and one microphone port. So this laptop looks awesome in silver color. As you can see the full view of this laptop. So this laptop has cool keypad. It has great color in black. So here are some Radeon graphics, Core i7 8th generation, Microsoft Office. So let me on this PC. This laptop has screen size of 15.6 inch. So let me tell other specs of this laptop. So this has 8 GB of RAM, 1 TB hard drive, 4 GB AMD Radeon 530, 4 GB graphics card, Windows 10, 4-hour battery life, 2.19 kg weight, and here you can see this LED indicators are on. And now let me show you the backlit of this keyboard. I have turned off this light, and here it's look awesome in white color. You can see in dark room you can play games even at night, and it's with so this laptop has a recovery drive. As you can see, it does not use much space, so you can store separately in pen drive or any other device. So let's see in this laptop how GTA 5 works. This laptop has AMD Radeon 530. So let's see. So let's see how this game works on this PC. GTA 5, as this PC has AMD Radeon 530 4GB graphics card. You can play any other games, and I have played this game in this PC. It works very nice. It does not lag or hang up. So let's see. So these are the settings of this game, and this game works very nicely on this PC. So here we come this end of this video. So please like this video and subscribe my channel for more videos.